guys, so basically this is an interesting product that I'm going to review today. We're going to make something. Anyway, what's so great about this? It's Crockpot. Everybody knows Crockpot, right? We've all done slow cooking. We've all done the 4 hours and the 8 hours, depending on the recipe. The cool thing is that this is Wi-Fi. Like, you can monitor this when you're out shopping for the holidays, all right? So I'm going to check this out. This might be something you can control this by, I guess Alexa allows you to control this. I'm guessing Google doesn't because they keep mentioning Alexa all over the box. So you can get the app. If you don't have Alexa and you have Google, just get the app on your phone and you can use the Alexa app to still control your Crockpot. All right. Connects with Alexa, control it remotely from the app. All right. And then removable oven safe stoneware. There are parts of this like the stoneware inside. It's dishwasher safe. It all tells you, read all your directions, okay? Stoneware and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Let's see, integrated cord storage. Not bad, we'll take a look at that. And then customize your cook time, auto warming settings, stainless steel finish. A lot of people like the stainless steel look. I'm here nor there. I think this Crockpot, if you go look at Crockpot, they got some great pastel colors that I think are awesome. And I probably would have liked one of those, but they weren't Wi-Fi. They look cool though. They really did. But anyway, you could check those out if you're looking for a color. But if you're looking for technology, this is the one to go with. Let's crack this open. We went to a bunch of Crockpot recipes and we decided that on this show, one of the hits has been cracked chicken. So we're going to do cracked chicken or Crockpot cracked chicken. All right? So anyway, let's get this open. Let's take a look. If I find anything amazing, I'll show you. If I find anything wrong or concerning, I'll show you. But anyway, let's check out the Wi-Fi Crockpot. And I'm guessing this is fairly a new device. You don't even want to know what I've gone through so far. I spent an hour trying to connect this piece of to Wi-Fi, to Alexa, to the internet, to anywhere. Won't show up on Bluetooth, won't show up on my Wi-Fi, doesn't show up anywhere. All right? Followed all the directions and this doesn't connect. There's no Wi-Fi about this. The only why about this is why I bought this piece of Anyway, let me show you what this is worth. Ready? It's a $100 piece of equipment. There you go. There. It holds paper. That's what it does. It holds your paper down. Can you tell I'm frustrated? So I call, hello, Crockpot. How are you? And she's like, thank you for calling, Crockpot. Could you please... Gone. After 15 minutes on hold, not doing it again. I'll wait 15 minutes in line to return this piece of Anyway, so I'm using this first. Then I'm returning it. Okay, guys, we're going to mix a few things first, all right? Let's get our chicken broth in this bowl. Get that in there. The corn, Southwest corn. Get that in there. Then the Rotel, gonna get that in there. We're not draining these. You drain the black beans in this recipe, but not this stuff. You save all that goodness. Take our seasoning, got it all mixed, all in the recipe down below. Don't need to show you all the ingredients. I think I'm gonna start cutting that out of my videos because it takes up too much time. Okay, get that all mixed up. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is lay the chicken in here. Okay, I got these are huge. Sorry. I'm doing 4 of them. All right, so I got my breasts in there. And then it says to take your black beans, drain them, pour them all. All right, we're gonna take our mixture that we put in the bowl here, the chicken broth mixture. Pour that across the top. There you go. Ooh. There's our bacon crumbles. And then we're going to take our cubed cream cheese, lay it across the top. There we go. There we go. Put that over there. There. All right. We're going to cook this on high for about 4 hours. All right. So I'll see you in 4 hours. I'm going to go clean the kitchen. I've made a total disaster. Let's get the lid on here. I manually put on high because this don't work with the Alexa controller and all that. So anyway, I'll see you in 4 hours and we'll see what this looks like. It's been 4 hours now on high, so we're going to take the lid off. These are the next steps. Basically, we're going to take the chicken breasts out, shred them up, chop them up, and then we're going to mix this, get the cheese, throw that cheese in. But we have to pull the breasts out first. Go. All right, now take this, make sure all the cream cheese in there, it's all mixed up, because this cream cheese will still be in like chunks, big square blocks or whatever, however you cubed it up. Make sure it gets all dissolved in there. Okay, and then cut up this chicken or shred it with 2 forks or however you want to do it. All right, you got a whole bowl of it. Looks good, smells good too. And then go get your shredded cheese. Okay guys, so we got the chicken all shredded. We're gonna pour that back in. Okay, get that in. We're gonna take the 2 cups of cheese and get that in. Right on top. Get that all mixed in. And it's nice and hot, and basically once this is all incorporated and the cheese melted, you can basically serve it up. So I'm gonna keep it warm till Tammy gets here. When's she gonna be here? Yeah, she'll be here soon. And then we will have this for dinner. I'll try this in a bit. All right, so let's give this a try and see how this is. It's as addictive as it's ever been, okay? Crack chicken in the crock pot. Way to go. The seasoning's great. The chicken's great. Very tender. The cheese is cheesy. Who would have thought, right? This is great for the cold weather. So kind of warm yourself up with this. I could see some crostinis or some French bread and butter. It'd be perfect, all right? I love you guys. This is dinner. We're going to sit down and enjoy, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.